What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. This is how we took a small winner today. We only had a partial winner today on NQ. We took this in the voice chat, so if you guys want to join the Discord, link is in the pinned comment. And if you guys need a discount to Alpha Futures, links in the pinned comment as well. Here's the executions. Really small winner today. I didn't go in heavy just because I'm already up on the week. I didn't want to end the Friday off unless I didn't want a heavy risk on a Friday unless I seen something super clean. This wasn't literally like a great setup, but I'm super happy how it played out. We ended up only getting a partial. I wanted to target lower, but I'm going to run through this really quick. So starting from the top, we started to initially off market open. We had a nice push down, and then we actually delivered off this 1 minute bearish FEG, and we just continued to dump all the way down to our next draw on liquidity, which was this hourly low all the way from over here. That was our first draw. Our second draw was going to be this daily low all the way down here. So from there, price was just continuing down, and I didn't really see anything at this point. Again, we swept all the way down to this low, and we just started to range. And at this point, I was potentially liking the idea of longs, but I wanted to see how price is going to react off of this 5 minute bearish fair value gap right here. So if we put the replay tool back on, basically, in the VC, we were talking about how we could have gotten in a short off this candle, but I want to see it manipulate higher and come back to around that CE point and then potentially look for shorts just to give me like a little bit more confirmation. On ES at the same time, we had a bullish SMT actually off the lows, but if you look at ES was continuously respecting this 5 minute bearish fair value gap right here. I have it changed into a 15 at this point, but it was just continuing to wick and reject off of this 5 minute bearish FEG. So I figured that NQ and ES would both want to reject and maybe continue lower and make one more final push down so that NQ could maybe sweep down to this daily low and continue with the bearish order flow. So again, market opens up, pushes down, takes out that hourly low, retraces back. So this 5 minute gap for me is kind of like it's giving me guidance. If we inverse this 5 minute gap, my idea is to potentially look for longs all the way up to our buy side draws, which are going to be like London high, and there's an hourly gap up there. But if we continue to reject and ES continues to reject, then we're going to want to see our continued sell side draws get taken out. So basically from here, around this time right here, we had orange folder news at 10, which I wanted to wait for at this point as we started to creep into this because I wanted to see if the volume was going to pick up or volatility was going to pick up from this news. So from here off the news, we get this initial orange or this initial bearish candle. And again, this was orange folder news. So we get this initial candle, and I obviously don't want to chase an entry off of this. So I want to wait for, some type of retrace. We end up forming this 1 minute bearish FEG right here. And as soon as we come back in and start rejecting, I get the entry. I got a little bit of a late entry. I wanted to ideally enter off this top wick. But as soon as we started rejecting, I immediately tried to sell, and I got a little bit of a late fill. I think my entry was 73 or 75. I have to double check in the screenshot. And my idea was for price to run through this low resistance liquidity right here and at least take this out and then potentially run down to that daily low all the way down here. So we end up pushing down, and at this point right here, we just start to kind of hover and start to reject. And I'm watching again at this point, like the 30-second and the 15-second, and I just see it starting to turn around. So I decided to take a partial at this point. Again, I moved my stops to break even after we swept this internal low. As soon as we ran through these internal lows on this candle right here, I moved stops to break even right away. And then I took a partial as soon as we started to reject here. So I actually ended up partialing at about 886. The bottom was 882. So right near the bottom, we ended up taking a partial, taking some small profits off, and then I let the rest run it and see if it could run down to potentially to that daily low, or we had a 15-minute low all the way down here. And if momentum and order flow is going to continue bearish, then we would see it go down. But rest of it ended up getting taken out break even. There was actually another opportunity to short, which is playing out right now. I'll run through it really quick. So from there, price came back up and ended up pulling into, it didn't respect the 15-minute bearish. I don't think it wicked into it. So it ended up creating an SMT off the highs. I think we made a bearish SMT off the highs from what I remember. And then from there, we had a 3-minute inversion to the downside, as you can see on this 3-minute gap right here. It got run through. We got a nice retrace, and then you could have shorted all the way down. It might take out that daily low at this point. It looks like it's going to, but that was the entry. I was going to look to take that re-entry, but at this point we had just been ranging for so long. I just didn't like how price action was looking. I was happy with my one win to end off the week. I didn't want to force anything, but again, it would have probably played out, but I'm happy to take that one win. But just to run through it again really quick, Price is in bearish order flow. We're delivering out of a 5-minute bearish FEG. We still have sell side draws lower. We scale down. We wait for the news. We get a 30-second inversion. We enter off the 1-minute retrace into the bearish FEG. I run stops higher. I ran it right above this wick right here. And then we TP right here as we get that initial push down. We take out this sell side for about 1.3 R. I left the rest to run down here, but rest got taken out break even. So we walk away with a decent partial across a few accounts. So super happy with this. Again, partial win, nothing crazy. Happy with how I managed this trade, moving it to break even when I did. Again, unfortunately didn't catch that other trade down there, but is what it is. We reacted off the market conditions and just, we kind of played it, stayed disciplined and played with what we had. So that's it for me, guys. Again, weekly outlook coming out this weekend, and that's it for me. Again, links are all in the pinned comment in the description, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.